Ceiling. So much ceiling. In Norway, we have a problem with light. In the summer, there's lots of light that comes into your house and apartment. And in the winter, there's basically none. So I made some lamps. I made this lamp and that lamp over there. But I want some more light on my ceiling. But I don't want to have to cut a hole in the ceiling and run some cable. So my solution is to project the light onto the ceiling. I bought this slide projector. Puts out great light. One important thing that needs to happen to it is I need to build a base for it so it can project the light onto the ceiling without having to prop it up on books or something. The base needs to be hinged and it needs to be lockable at certain angles. So I've been using this for a little while now, and the main issue I say using it. I've had it in my apartment for a while, but haven't been using it too much as a lamp. There's two main issues. Firstly, anything past about here, here-ish, yeah, and it starts to tip. So probably need to put some feet out here. And the other is this. That fan is very loud. I think that turned out really well. There's one thing I would change is to actually buy an LED cob and install that instead with a higher wattage, because I felt like that was a 10 watt LED and the equivalency isn't high enough. I'd need something more like a 20 or 30 watt. So that's the only difference I would do, but it seems to have lit it up quite well. So I think in future, I think I'll probably end up doing that or not.